Good evening, everyone. We are the Group 2 presenter. I am Haniflor Muniba. This evening, we are talking about the ESM Readiness Assessment for DDoEC. Enterprise Service Management applies IT service management principles to various business functions like human resources, facilities, and student services, aiming to enhance service delivery, efficiency, transparency, and user experience through process standardization and automation. A readiness assessment is essential before implementing ESM, as it evaluates the organization's current state in processes, technology, and user needs. This helps identify gaps, roadblocks, and strengths, providing baseline data necessary for DDoEC to design a focused ESM strategy that supports successful digital transformation. And now let's proceed to the methodology. The assessment methodology involved qualitative interviews with 10 students from the third and fourth year at the DOEC, specifically focusing on areas such as current processes, needs and expectations, technology infrastructure, and alignment with school objectives. The anonymity of respondents was maintained in accordance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012.
Good day everyone, I'm Marley Nalasa and I'm the second reporter. A. Current process, policies and tools. Efficient document processing. Documents are often not ready for picking up within the promised time frame, requiring multiple frustrating trips for students. The gap. This points to a lack of a standardized, transparent, and digitally tracked document management workflow. Heavy reliance on manual paper-based systems. Systems still require physical presence to fill out forms despite the acknowledged efficiency. The gap. The core service delivery process is fundamentally manual. This creates accessibility barriers, especially for those with travel difficulty and delays. B. Needs and expectation of customers. Satisfactory but needs improvement. Overall student service are satisfactory, indicating a functional but not exceptional level of service. Strength and gap. The foundation is acceptable but the steady need for improvement suggested a desire for a more student-centric and efficient experience. Room for improvement in communication. Students are only somewhat satisfied with communication channels, citing slow response time and lack of clarity and the information provided. The gap. The current communication strategy is reactive and is inconsistent. This is a critical area for ESM. A centralized, transparent communication and reliable knowledge base are core to improving service satisfaction. And
the third one is technology infrastructure. We have utilization of users-friendly platforms, meaning students like using simple and effective tools such as Google Forms and emails. The strength is they are already used to digital tools, so introducing a new system like an ESM platforms should be easy for them. The major connectivity issues, meaning the main technical problem is poor internet connection, which makes it hard for students to submit on work on time. The gap is, even though the tools are good, but internet access slows everything down. Then the third one is the alignment with school's objectives. Ang D. Clear theoretical alignment, meaning students understand how the ESM system supports the school's mission, providing good quality education and promoting innovation. The strength is everyone in the school sees the value of ESM in making the school more transparent, responsive, and accountable. Second, the ESM as digital transformation driver. Meaning, ESM helps connect different departments like IT, HR, and student service into one system. This makes decision easier and reduces extra work. The strength is the school has a strong understanding of how ESM support digital transformation, which helps get leadership support.
Good day everyone, my name is Michelle Alenjo. I'm the last reporter. Summary and recommendation. Major barriers to ESM readiness include fragmented and manual processes, weak customer communication, and poor internet connectivity. So, ang major barriers jud sa ESM is kanang low internet connection. So, ang DDAC Service Hub initiative aims to address this issue by digitalizing key services such as document request and enrollment issues into a unified online platform. It will feature standardized forms, automated routing, and SLA, along with a notification system for real-time updates on service requests, enhancing efficiency and student satisfaction. So helpful jud kay siya kay nang naay mga calamities is payon lang gyud ang klase pinaagi sa online platform o ang mga activities and assignment is ipaagi na lang sa online platform like Google Classroom, on email or Google Drive. Tapos pa makasubmit ka is ginasendan ka notification para ma-update ka kung deadline na ba or dili. Conclusion. The DDAC community, especially students, shows a solid understanding of enterprise service management, viewing it rotate to medical excellence and enhance academic support. So syempre, dili na gid kay maglisod ang mga student or mga teachers kay pinaagi sa mga online platforms nga ginagamit is kanang dili na sila magmanumanog gibuhat kay paagi na lang nila sa computer. Successful ESM implementation relies on digitizing essential student service and creating a transparent communication system. Successful ESM implementation relies on digitizing essential student service and creating a transport communication system. The DDAC Service Hub is a student-focused initiative that will establish a foundation of scalable ESM transformation, improving the student experience and developing the college for future digital project. That's all.